AI abilities to make decisions on its own without human involvement makes it either a boon or a curse for modern civilization. Welcome to Tech Region, and in this video we'll see whether artificial intelligence is destroying our lives. If artificially intelligent robots learn to do our jobs, they will not complain about working overtime or requesting a raise. They are not even going to ask for a paycheck. While it appears that AI is displacing people's job, similar reports are currently circulating in our media. I continue to believe that the benefits of AI outweigh the risk. Recently, the concept of self-driving cars has emerged. In fact, some self-driving cars have already been successfully tested. It cannot only help those who are unable to drive, but it is also expected to be safer than human drivers, resulting in a significant reductions in accidents. We don't yet know whether AI will usher humanity into a golden age or destroy everything we hold dear. What is clear is that, thanks to artificial intelligence, the future world will be nothing like the one we know today. Will AI be able to take over the world? Shep Hyken, a customer service specialist and tech enthusiast, believes that artificial intelligence will never rule the world. He goes on to say that everything shown in sci-fi films like I, Robot is a work of fiction that will never come true. Mikhail Naumov, CEO of Digital Genius, believes that artificial intelligence is nothing more than a necessary tool for customer service. It is not capable of taking over the world because no matter how advanced it becomes, it is still subject to human controls. He goes on to say that artificial intelligence has reached its pinnacle. It can only get a little better and more efficient. It cannot, however, become so powerful that it takes over the entire world. They have no legal rights. Corporate Monkey points out something very cool that most of us have never considered. They claim that the primary reason artificial intelligence cannot take over the world is that it lacks legal rights. You may be wondering what legal rights have to do with taking over the world. Legal rights, on the other hand, are inextricably linked with actions. Without legal rights, the robots cannot own property, sue anyone, or vote or be elected. They are unable to express their views. They are nothing more than slaves who are incapable of doing anything other than obeying human commands. So even if there's a technological takeover, it will be a person using artificial intelligence to take over the world, not the other way around. Owning a home, voting, opening a bank account, or being elected may appear insignificant. However, these rights are all that distinguishes us as human beings, allowing us to assert our dominance over the world. Although artificial intelligence is improving, humans are not losing brain cells. Our generations are also becoming smarter, intelligent enough to create a technology like artificial intelligence and work to make it more human-like. Tech needs money. Another reason why AI cannot take over the world is that it requires money to grow and develop. Experts in technology who claims that by 2035 every home will have a humanoid assistant are delusory. More than half of the world's population is so impoverished that they cannot afford a decent meal, let alone a glass of mineral water. How are they going to pay for a humanoid assistant? Even the upper middle class is borrowing money to purchase a humanoid. No matter how smart, fast, or efficient artificial intelligence becomes, human assistants are far less expensive and require far less maintenance. Smarter, so be safe. Artificial intelligence can make our life easier, but it will never be able to replace humans. True, artificial intelligence is far smarter, faster, and more efficient than humans, but humans are superior physically, emotionally, and mentally. If humanoids replace humans, the economy will inevitably collapse. Humans are hardwired to be self-sufficient, regardless of their circumstances. So, even if Hollywood movies depict a world dominated by robots, it's all fiction and not at all plausible. We currently have a basic level of artificial intelligence. It will be upgraded soon. Who knows? It might upgrade on its own in the future. But the bottom line is that we are safe for the time being. It is difficult to predict anything in the future. If the economy collapses and AI develops its own thinking system that does not follow and practice normal human norms, I believe we are doomed. And with that being said, it's time to end our videos. What are your views about artificial intelligence destroying our lives? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.